How to turn off commercial sounds on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove audio restrictions by switching to a personal account. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. In the next step, tap on Account to open your account settings. Following this, scroll through the options and tap on Switch to Personal Account. Once done, a pop-up will appear explaining what changes when you switch. Go ahead and read through it. From here, tap on Switch to confirm, and your account will be changed to a personal account right away. At this stage, keep in mind that commercial sounds are only restricted on business accounts, so switching to a personal account is the only way to remove that limitation, as there is no direct toggle to turn it off. Finally, once you're on a personal account, you'll have full access to all sounds, including non-commercial audio, when creating your videos. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off commercial sounds on TikTok on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.